So the world-famous Barcelona bully, Lionel Messi, was at his brilliant Barcelona best again today, scoring twice and providing one assist as Barcelona destroyed English pretenders Tottenham Hotspurs in London. A performance that reopens the debate as to whether or not Messi could replicate the goal-scoring brilliance he displays for Barcelona in the Spanish league in the rougher, tougher and more physical English league. Some say yes. What is there to stop him? He does it in the Champions League against the best in England, so he would easily score 40-odd goals a season in the EPL. But again, football no go so. Messi being brilliant and indeed out of class for Barcelona don't mean Messi would be equally brilliant and out of class for Man City or Liverpool or Chelsea. I mean, who could tell that after starring for Barcelona for so long, the same Messi would go to 4 World Cup finals and flop in all of them? The fact of the matter is that Messi has looked a shadow of himself and has won nothing away from Barcelona. So I don't know that he would dominate for Man City or for Chelsea or for Liverpool, playing against more rugged, less technically skilled players who give him less space to play. Personally, I don't think Messi could consistently score 40-odd goals per season in England like he does in Spain. Not because he's short of the technical skills to do it, but because he's proven to be far less effective when he's out of his physical and mental comfort zone. And that is why Messi, while being very good, will never, ever be the GOAT. See the GOAT there?